of games, man. And then one time, they were she's not around.
Wait, they haven't switched.
Yes, Henry. Yes.
Let's go, Blizzard!
Yes, Solomon.
Nice, Solomon.
Yes.
Nice, Mon.
Solomon.
Keep going. Eye on Lucas. Switch. Switch. Take advantage of this.
Oh, a guy.
Henry scored a half.
Yeah, I assisted him. Area 1P or who played? When we won it. A guy
Pressure.
from South LA.
Pressure, man. Nice.
Nice.
Way to get talked to. Time.
Yeah, we got fourth.
See ya.
But
Win next. Win next. Fall back. Fall back. Yes, Henry.
who played?
Recover.
A
Good.
guy from South LA scored a goal. from
Delay.
backcourt.
Delay.
On this hill. Yeah, in this hill.
Hustle, Evan.
When we just-
Way to get there.
started the game. Yes, Evan. Nice.
On your back.
Man on.
Henry, so that's just his.
Nice.
Yes,
Come on, go
Henry.
middle.
Send
JP.
JP.
Good win. Henry's got it. Henry, you got big throw. Go big. Ale, put it down. Henry. Henry.
Henry, big throw.
Look for Ale.
See y'all.
Good start.
Yes. Watch up the line.
Yo, Gaspar is
That should have been the other way.
I heard it.
Henry. Yeah, you got the big throw. Take it. Look for JP or Ale.
Control it.
Who is? Isn't he on like the
Watch speed.
Yes, Evan.
Nice. Win that. Win that. Win that. Fall back.
It looked like Gaspar first. Oh, he didn't. Gaspar has like the same hair.
Mark. Mark up. Solomon, hold right there.
He's not.
JP, watch Danielle. Give help. Give help on the backside.
Wait, yeah, he's just.
Get it out.
Control.
You good?
Oh.
You
got confused. Where's my whistle?
I just came to watch.
Yeah, it's your turn.
It's Homer City tournament. I don't see it.
Come on, Henry.
No, because it's online. It's only like 16.
Yes, Henry.
Yes, go on the pressure.
Nice throwing, Henry.
Come on, get for it. Recover. Good hustle, JP.
Come on, Ion.
Oh, the South LA team. That's
Good.
weird.
Good, smart play, Lucas. Smart play.
No, we have to play the. Wait, are we playing the B team?
I don't know which one it is.
We're playing
We're playing the yellow team, but their A team is great. We beat them once, and then they beat us once. They're number 10. They
Yeah.
It's
It's
good. Go
insane.
from backcourt.
I would
Let's
worry
go.
about this game in front of us.
See,
rather than
see.
the future, right?
Release.
Concentrate on this one.
Good idea. Yes, great idea,
And
Mon.
then figure
Great
out-
idea. Great idea.
JP. Recover, JP.
Where are we going with that?
Come on.
Watch that weak side.
Quicker.
Watch that weak side.
Good. Ion, take it. Ion, take it. Henry, go up. It'll take a little time.
When I was like 5 years old, like, but I
You're
lost.
like so slow.
I watched Bond.
I'm scared.
I remember when people used to have like the giant.
Go, get
Get there, Juju.
Go,
Get
Juju.
there.
Go hard. Go hard. Got to get there.
Nice.
Yes, nice
Nice.
win. Go, Mon. Pressure.
Maybe shield it.
Nice.
Time. Look up. You get your pocket picked every time. Come on. Let's go.
Solomon. Switch with JP. You go to right. JP, come to the left. Matchups. I want JP to drop. Get over so occupies too close so he can't slide over to help.
Ooh! Stop standing and crash. Let's go.
Okay, you good? If you need a break without having to take them, let us know.
You guys have socks at Secret City?
We got old a couple years ago.
What was that from?
That's from All Stars 2 years ago. Be aware of that weak side. Great track.
Nice, Ion.
Read it. Nice, Henry. Get it up. Go, Tumon. Go, JP, pressure. Unlucky.
You got a ball in the face.
Noah, be ready just in case.
He's coaching the coach.
Are you actually watching this game?
Be ready.
So here's what we need. They're collapsing in the middle. We got to get their defense. Cooper is just hanging out in the middle. We got to get Cooper to one side or the other, okay?
You all right, Jack?
No, it's a drop ball. It's going to be drop ball. Probably blue. Blue had possession last. Blue. Black? Is it blue or black? Black. Okay. Yeah, it should be blue. It should be blue. Henry, back up. It should be blue. Blue was the last half
Watch
possession.
Gotti! Watch Gotti!
When the injury happened, you had control. Drop to blue is correct.
Henry,
As much as I want.
I don't think we have the best.
As much as I wanted, drop to blue.
Because I think Henry
Yeah,
is
play in the
best
space ahead of
center.
Gotti.
But
That's the wrong call. That's the wrong call, but okay.
You conferred.
Mon, go forward. Mon,
You're right,
go
you're
forward.
right.
Guys, go. Lucas, midfield.
yeah, we probably.
Henry, look for Ale. I get your gap back and
See
look for Ale.
Juju! See Juju!
You cannot score.
Yes, nice.
David. All right, unlucky. Go.
I like the idea, Henry. I like the idea.
Henry.
Blue.
All right, we're going blue. Good. Go, Juju.
Juju, get there. Nice, Henry.
Yes, Henry.
Corner. Oh, it's a throw. Black throw. Henry. Ale, get towards goal.
You ready, Juju?
Junk goals. Let's get him.
Remember in
Pressure.
Volley.
Shot.
Here, shoot.
Oh, God. Ugh.
Juju.
Good hustle.
Slowest
Yeah.
move.
That was, yeah.
He was like, oh.
CJ's not confident right now.
Yeah, I know. Why? Red called me to grab it.
What's that?
Red called me.
Yeah. Go again.
Again.
It's us again.
What?
Corner.
Corner again.
How's that not a corner? Okay.
Oh, it was probably out.
No, it wasn't.
Jack, don't try and give the guy any credit.
No, it wasn't. Solid corner. Guys, come in. Good work, good work, good work, good work, good work. Solid corner.
Come on, guys.
Hey,
The ref is making
here's what I said. We have to adjust to the calls that are being made. We may see it differently. It's what he sees that matters, okay? Here's what I got. Cash and goal. Ion and Lucas play where Gadiel is. Jack D, right wing back. Solomon, CDM. Henry, left wing back. Getting forward, getting back. Ale, attacking mid. Juju, right forward, Noah left forward. That gives me Evan and JP out, all right? Smart, work as a team, have fun, okay? Have fun.
Are you guys in Screenland or?
No, they didn't bet it.
All right, back out, guys. Get some water. Hydrate.
Get water, play smart.
If they let them in.
Solomon, I might move you to way back, I'll see, okay?
If anything,
If he let them, we wouldn't have Ion or Henry.
All right. Let's do it. Let's do it.
in the 2013 Alliance, we the one team that's winning the 880, and because he wanted to go to
Hey, Juju, don't be afraid. Take a shot when you get a chance, okay? Take a shot when you get a chance. Henry, fall back a little bit. Stay with Cooper, good. Lucas, well played, smart play, good stuff.
All right.
Come on, get back. He's on. Delay. Recover. Good job, Cash.
Oh, nice!
Way to play the angle, Cash. Good recovery, good recovery. Very slow. Cash, back up a little. 3/4. Back up, back up. All right, that's a goal kick too, all right?
Okay.
That's a goal kick too, apparently.
Yeah, you know when it goes behind the line, you get it back.
Ion! Ion, take the goal kick.
You know?
As my mentor would say, the guy's got consistency,
Win
just
that!
in the wrong direction. Right, let's bring it, bring it, bring it.
A little more? Okay, good idea. Good idea.
Good job, Henry.
Let it go.
Make your run.
That's
Juju.
it.
Oh, unlucky.
Unlucky.
I scored a hat trick against them in one piece. And then they started getting
All right.
Breathe.
Juju, you're up top. Remember, you're up top.
Juju, you're up top on the right. Win that.
Bounce.
Go. Take space.
Henry, take it
Yes, go.
Into the
Great
space,
idea.
that's it.
Good idea. Yes, good idea. Good pressure. Good pressure. Good idea. I'm lucky. Hey, guys, I like the idea. Fall back, fall back. Come on. Pay attention. Rena's behind you. Lucas, step up a bit. Get in there, Noah. Pressure. Let's go, no, no, no. See Jack. Got it. Yes, he's not going to beat them off the dribble. Not going to.
Let's go, Blizzard.
Pressure.
Oh!
Oh! Well done, Noah. Well done. Great stop. Good, good, there, Lucas. Recover. Good.
That's yours, Jack. Get there first.
Noah. Great stop. Well done.
They're not in it.
I know.
switch shirts.
No,
Noah, get up.
if this is just my.
See it?
Look at that spin.
Yes, good,
Nice,
good,
nice,
win,
nice.
good win. No, Henry, go, Jack, go, Jack, go, Jack.
Jack.
Win that.
Oh, huh?
Start again. Let's go.
Take it, cover.
Right wing back. Jack, remember you're wing back, so you got to get back, okay?
When I told
Well, that's really good,
All
right.
my class got a haircut like a Nessa. I told Weston Leo got a Nessa cut, and Weston thought Leo.
Good idea. All right, Juju, right wing back. Jack, right forward.
Walk.
Okay, Juju, wing back. Jack is forward. You're playing that way anyway. We might as well just follow it.
Okay, number 1, I forgot if it was Aiden or yeah, it was
Get it, Juju. You're wing back.
Juju.
He played this extras.
2014 extras.
I love how polite he is. He's like, always like, okay, I'm just going to make sure everyone's safe.
Yeah.
And then go.
We won 3-0 against
Check.
us.
Kick him.
How
Yeah.
much did you lose?
Okay.
It was 2-1. Not 2-1.
Come on, boys.
Ion.
Watch the back post. Oh, jeez Louise.
Ion, get it upfield. Get it upfield.
That's his our big
Win that. Go, Noah, pressure. Pressure.
Pass it.
Nice.
Hit the man.
You, Juju.
Get in there.
Get in there.
That's a mobile player.
Good, take space.
2 is good too. Benji.
No, smarter. No, Noah, no cheeky stuff. Come on, be smart.
Sick, Juju.
Be smart. That's a foul. That's a trip.
You all right, Ollie?
That's a trip. Advantage game. Ion, goal kicks. You got him.
Jack, your team was the only one to score 2 goals.
We scored one. But only because Will and Henry were out, and Enzo was in it.
Oh,
Give help.
wait, who's the kid?
You guys got to.
Enzo.
Don't.
The only reason we scored is because Enzo wasn't on B.
Nice, Henry.
And,
See Noah.
and
Go.
you and
Go, Jack. Go.
It's yours. Run through it.
Stay with it. Delay.
we lost 4-1.
That's solid.
Holy shit.
Oh, that was a 4.
Number 30 is Linus. Number 7 is Scout. Number 8 is
Wait, who was
number
our goalie?
10 is CJ. Number 11 is Gaudio.
Number 30
for the
CJ.
CJ. For the other team. No, for the other team.
Win that.
Nice.
Guys, we're
Come on.
missing.
We're all standing around.
We got to move.
Oh, nice. Ion.
There you go.
You pressure Noah.
Be afraid to
Go.
Go.
It's yours, Jack. Help him out.
A little slow.
Talk.
Get it forward quickly.
Nice. Juju, get it. Get it.
He's still in school. Yeah, our spring break ends. This is the last weekend of spring break. And then, yeah, Monday we go back to school.
They could have. I don't think he has. I don't think Ian has a big
Guys,
boot.
give help.
Culver City, yeah. Culver City.
All right, we're gonna go.
I go in Culver City. You're in middle school? This kid should be in middle school, but he took
We're look for Ion.
He's May 10th though.
Cash.
No, he didn't fail. I think his parents just wanted him to take it. No. Oh, the school district.
Win that.
Oh, come on.
No, the Ion team
Cash, get back. Scout, good idea there. That's all. Breathe. Good, there it is. Win that.
Handball.
Henry. Put it on goal. Shoot it.
Crash the goal once the ball gets kicked, guys, please.
Guys, yeah. I have the cover.
So much for. Win that!
Get there.
What?
What's going on?
It's the other team.
Don't worry about it. Next play. Next play. Next play.
Wait, this is part of the
Boy, shake it off. Turn it around. Okay. So our
You
field,
know what?
our
So
grass-
Jack,
See Jack.
see Jack. Cole.
Let it go! Go, go, Choo-Choo, go, Choo-Choo. Go, Choo-Choo. Pressure!
Go, go, go.
fences were gone, and everyone, when they got out, they all
He's running past the ball as we go back. Come on.
because no one could touch grass for like a month because they were missing. Then after that, oh no, we did touch grass. After that, like half the school just was at some, at least half the school at some point or the other that day just touched grass. You were like, I was like, I'm touching grass. You were afraid to grass.
What's the longest you ever touched?
Probably that.
That's it, Jack.
Jack, stay with it.
Pass. Nice.
Yeah.
I wish I had.
You got it, Henry. Got it.
Yes, yes, pass. Juju's open.
Stay up.
Ew. Walk.
Fall back, fall back. Lucas, hold. Lucas, stop. Let him go offside. Ah, yeah. Way to hold, Lucas. Way to hold. He's going to go offside every time. Just hold the front.
Where are you from?
Get it forward. Get it forward.
Save your legs.
How do you say water in Spanish?
When,
I know that.
I got grab some water. Grab some water. I got this. Short quarters. 11 quarters, 11-minute quarter. Go, grab some water.
How do you ring?
Don't. Hey, Henry, control what we can control, right? He's missing a lot. He is missing a lot. We control what we can control. That's on the field.
Great job, guys. Great corner.
Ah!
Let's slap these people.
So, grab your waters. Here's what I'm seeing. They are very happy. They want to win this game 1-0. That's what they're playing for. They are parking the bus in front of goal. If we try to dribble through all of that, we're not gonna. That one time we shot it, it ricocheted and it confused CJ. Take those shots. If you have a shot, 25 yards out, 18 yards out, you have a step in the box, take that shot. All right? We have maybe 3 shots, one of which trickled to him, 2 required brilliant saves by Noah. Okay? Take those shots. We have them. Work as a team, trust each other, have fun. Pass the ball. Noah, if you're up top, they are overcommitting. 2, 3 touches, send it to the far side. If James is on the back, pressure him, right? He's decent, he's solid, he's gonna make some missed touches. All right, so pressure him on that right side. Smart plays, great recovery, great work as a team. Keep taking that breath before you punt it. Hit it solid. You guys are playing really well. This is a good team. We're giving them more than they expected. All right?
No, just keep playing the way you guys are. Right? Trust each other, communicate, and believe you own that ball. I see some people hesitating a little bit. Just believe it. Go after it, okay? Play hard, keep it up.
All right, captains, what do you got?
Great pass, guys. Try to pass the ball to the middle because we have some screen up there. So try to use the ball. Don't be outside. You can do what the person right here has to do all the time. We try to do that. Make them make mistakes and try to score some goals.
Yeah. I got it. Here's what I got. Cash and goal. Lucas and I on the same setup. If you switch, Henry's taking goal kicks now. Just get him up, get him to the outside. We are losing the ball on those short kicks. So we got to get it over that front line and win that second ball. All right? Jack D, right wing back. Henry, CDM. Evan, left wing back. Ale attacking mid. Noah on the right. Chafee on the left. Gives me Juju and Solomon out. Bring it in, bring it up. Let's go. Let's go.
Everybody.
Go, bring it in, bring it up. Come on! Culver! Let's go!
You too! Hello, Juju.
This is a different idea.
What type of family is
CDM. Okay. You and Ollie can switch on the team. If he goes up, you fall back. You guys have been doing a great job so far. Right?
We beat the Beverly Hills team. Almost beat Santa Monica.
Guys, Lucas, Ion, switch. Gadiel's out. Jack, remember your wing back, okay? Jack, your wing back. You gotta get Jack. They have ball, so hold here. It's gonna come over your head here. Yep, now you go. Give help. Cover.
I repeat, really fat they were a family.
Don't worry. Next play. That's right. Next play, guys. Next play. Let's get one. Catch. Take it off. Unlucky. Perception. Take it. Nice. Heads up. Pressure. That's why we pressure.
Because he dropped it. Yeah.
Get it.
Cuerpo.
Three of you then. Go.
Nice, Lucas.
Guys, we gotta wake up. We're slow.
I want to be asleep right now. Honestly and truthfully.
Guys, let's wake up. Bring the energy. One of you helps back, one of you stays up.
Come on, guys. There you go. Nice.
Keep going for it, guys. Go, Blizzard,
Don't slow down. Talk. You guys are silent. Hit the ref. In the back. But we still got position.
There.
That's
Blizzard.
it. Ooh, cooked.
If we score, then I switch it.
Win it, Blizzard, win it.
Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. There you go.
Nice job, win it, turn around.
Nice. Win that. Own it.
Separate.
Own it.
Yeah, guys,
Own
let
it, guys.
No way. Should not lose that. Win that. Catch. Gotta call that. Let's go. Get up.
Anytime. Next play, guys.
Be a goldfish. Penguin!
We need goals.
Let's go, Blizzard!
Not you.
Okay.
No,
No, that's our ball.
No, come on, Tim. Tim missed it. He's changing.
That's on the. That's there.
My dad is super unhappy.
You want to take it?
Henry!
But Joaquin's getting it.
Henry, take the throw.
You can climb, huh, Joaquin?
I'll try to.
Corner. Is it a throw or a corner? Corner, Jack D. It's a throw. Yeah, it's a throw.
Now it's a corner.
Jack D.
Joaquin is Joaquin. Get there! Crush it!
Shoot it.
Just push it through.
It's a header, no?
Delay. Pick up the pace, guys. Breathe and let's pick it up.
Blizzard! Get it!
Good. That's
it,
on.
it's in.
Good. Yes! Woo! Let's go. Well done, Henry. Well done, Henry. Bring the energy. This is the game, guys. Heads up. Let's go again. Let's go again. Heads up. Let's go again.
Do it. You can do this.
Bring the energy.
Yeah.
Chase the ball. Let's get another one. Tie it up.
Win that.
It's yours, Jack.
Let it go. Good. Go, go,
Nice.
JP. Go, JP.
JP always runs.
His
Wait,
angles. He's behind
yeah,
it.
he's gotta run.
He's struggling. JP can't.
Right, he's just chilling up there.
Come on, Henry.
I would hate that Joaquin get it up there.
He's a good climber.
Or do I go shallow?
I'm just gonna tell you. Yes! How did you? Abba, we got our ball back.
That was not graceful.
Don't get hurt.
That was so graceful.
Don't let anyone see what you do.
It wasn't on video.
That was the most graceful fall ever. First to that ball, Blizzard! First to that ball!
Let's keep it in, Blizzard. Keep it in. Keep it in.
Get there! If he landed, please to the side. Yes! Come on, get there! Run, get it! That was the most graceful landing ever. Run to it! Run to it!
Get him, Jack. Overlap.
Well done, Lucas. Well done.
Keep going, keep going, keep going! Obviously, I tried.
Nice, Evan.
Good job, Abs. Right.
Keep going!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Take space. See Jack. Jack, go too. See, Henry. Great idea. Good idea. Jack, look to near. Look to easy, okay? Delay. 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 Good. Good slide. Good slide. Jack. Jack. Good idea. Look to slide. You had Henry making that run. Look to easy. Look to easy.
First to that ball. Leo, into the middle. Get that ball.
Good.
That's
Oh,
it.
you got it.
You got it now.
Flip, flip, flip.
JP.
Recover.
Keep going.
Still in, still in, still in, still in. Delay. Still in, still in, still in. Win that. Win that.
Pressure.
Go, JP, you're through. Use that speed.
Pass. Pass. Oh, shoot.
Speed.
Jack! Jack! Shoot the ball! Shoot the ball!
Use that too, bud.
Shoot it!
Ollie.
It's
hot, I know.
First to that ball!
Ollie makes that delay run.
Let's keep it
Okay,
on.
let's go. One more quarter. One more quarter, guys. One more quarter.
Do it. Bring out that energy. Don't be afraid. You got this.
Out there!
We got the momentum. Bring it. We got the momentum. You good, Evan? We got the
Good
momentum.
boys.
Okay, guys, play smart. Here's what we got. We're going attacking this quarter, all right? We got to get one goal, and then we'll build from there, all right? Let's get one, and we'll build from there.
Hey. I know,
Hey,
it's okay.
focus on the next play.
We got Ben.
We got Cash in goal. All right, hey, Cash. Those were unlucky, right? Cash in goal. Lucas and Ion, same setup. If Adiel's on, you mark with him. Jack D, right wing back. Solomon, CDM. Evan, left wing back. Henry, attacking mid. Ale, right forward. Juju, left forward. We're trying to get some goals. Let's go attack. We need one before they get one. If we get one, I'm going to change formation. All right, but let's get one. Let's get them on their heels. Let's have fun. Let's go. On three, have fun. On three, have fun. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, have fun. Ready? 3, 2, 1, have fun! You know, you're not quite there yet. I see you struggling a bit. No, good stuff. Watch this. That's what's going to get you there. You're sitting on the ball, 4 or 5
Left forwards. Remember, forward.
You good shot. You stand and get in the back, making sure you got the ball. Do that, if you get the ball, you're attacking it.
Okay, good. That's what I like.
But I need Henry, leave it on the field. We have an easier game this afternoon. Leave it all out there this quarter.
I know
Okay?
that's good for defense. It's also really good for forward.
Recover. I can see you're wearing down a bit, right? You're being honest. Okay, take a breath, get that water, get that hydration. We'll need you this afternoon. 22, 26.
Get there, run! Get that
Pressure!
ball.
Pressure!
Pressure, guys. Spectators, let's go.
Go get it.
There you go.
Down, Henry, all you.
Yes! All right. Now we've got a game.
All right, Henry. Where's Henry? Henry, CDM, Solomon. Attacking mid. Actually, Ale attacking mid. Ale attacking mid. Solomon forward. Forward. Forward.
Keep up this momentum, boys.
Stay with it.
Go for it, Jack. Run.
I think they're on the north side of the valley. I was trying to see.
Win that
Go
next.
get it.
They're probably like
Come on, Ion.
Get back, Jack, get back. Ooh. Jeez Louise.
Juju, right wing back. Jack. Juju, right wing back. Jack, left forward. How to change this. I'm just reading the game right now. Juju's much more comfortable at the wing back, and with Ion behind him. Win that!
You got
Stay with it.
Pressure.
Run.
Run into it. Like it. Don't worry about it.
Next ball. Next play. Next play.
Stay with
Next play.
Win the ball. First
Big throw. Big throw. Watch that yell.
ball. Watch number 3.
Nice. Juju.
See Solomon? Go, Mike. Pressure full. See outside again. Henry. Great ball.
Jack,
Go,
Jack,
go, go.
engage.
Pressure. Yes, Henry, you're through. Ah, good stuff. Come on, great idea. Great idea. Great recovery. Great recovery, Lucas. Well done. Well done. Come on. Great look. Great look for
I think you
Henry.
can score from the halfway line today.
Guys, fill in. Ale. Closer. Give him help. Give him help. No. Get it forward. What are we doing? Cover. No, pare.
That's it, breathe. Take a seat.
I want it up.
You might, yeah, I bet, yeah. It's like 5 years. I watched video back of the game. He just put Flynn on. And Glenn is the one. Look, I on that.
Get it to Jack D.
Yeah, we wanted to get eye on
Win
him.
that. Win that.
Gonna
Win
bounce,
that.
gonna bounce.
It's gonna bounce.
That's you.
And again.
There you go.
Go, Henry. Go. Ollie.
James, swing for the
Ah, good idea.
Nice. Nice.
He was in my team.
Ball. Outside.
Clear it.
Go get it.
Henry. Get it off the field. Can't fill it out of that. Pass is hurt.
Oh, okay.
Just get it up the field. Up. Juju, fill in front of Chavez.
Get it to JD.
There you win that.
Get there.
Watch Gadiel. Run with Gadiel.
Come on, Ion.
Well, great coverage. Guys, come on, dig deep.
As you get higher. Like before they kind of said.
Watch Chavez, Juju.
And extra said.
Oh, that's it. Come on.
Wow.
I'm losing.
Henry, focus. You have it. Relax. I'll take a 2-2 tie in this game.
When I find a game point, and I'm like, oh, in the middle of the game, I find a game point. And I'm
Juju, closer. Outside. Yes. On you. Good idea.
Hey, with Chavez.
That's it.
Nice, Ion.
Bring it.
Take it.
Talk, guys.
Get it forward. Separate. Pressure.
Stay with Gadiel. Stay with them.
That's it. Bring it. It's gonna get it. It's okay.
Relax. 5 minutes. Let's go. On. Win that.
come on, Evan. Yes.
Good. Fall back, guys. Wizard, relax. Chilly. Come on, get him to take a breath. Go, Mon, pressure.
Pressure them, guys. You're outnumbering them.
Yeah, maybe it was that. There should be space like from there.
They're bringing it forward. They're going
Come
for
on,
the
boys.
win. They're going for the win.
Get it. Keep
Good.
going.
Come on, Juju.
Go.
Recover. Get in there. Get in there. Watch the overlap.
Nice, Ion.
Henry, you. Go, Jack. Go, Jack.
Jack, just keep
Pressure.
going.
Go get it.
Good. Still in.
There we go.
Relax, Chili. Henry, you're throw. Congrats, guys. Keep going.
Take a
Relax. You can walk up to it. Walk up to it.
Let's put it on goal, Blizzard.
Win this ball.
Stay with it.
Brady, tell me you have the other.
Come on.
Going to Chavez.
Somebody get on
Go away.
Bunch it up.
Well done, Henry. Fall back. Watch his counter.
Come on, Blizzard, get to that ball first.
He's off. Green. Hey, Blizzard. Henry, yours. That's play. Henry, you're a goalkeeper. No, you're a goalkeeper. They only have. Win that! Come on.
Nice, Ion. Keep going.
Nice
Billy. Guys, center. Relax. Relax.
How much time?
Probably like 3 minutes.
Nice. Win that! It's over.
Pressure to that ball.
yours, Jack.
Shouldn't have that much time.
Get there!
Daddy out, did you?
Stop watching, boys.
Nice, man.
Get there. Pressure. Yes, Aya. Keep going, Aya.
Nice, Gigi.
Make it run.
Hey, Jack.
Did you make it run?
Go. Run. Great idea.
Jack, run.
Great idea,
Crash.
Alex. Great idea. Great idea. Oh, that was pretty. Jack, be aware for that run. Watch. Wait, don't watch.
Wide open.
Nice, Henry.
Nice, Lucas. Get there.
Pressure.
Get it. Yes. Keep winning it.
Good win. Good win. Guys, relax. You're playing great. Guys, go back 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You good, Henry? I know you're working hard. I know you're working hard. Relax.
Get up there. Get that ball.
Keep it in.
Come on,
Let
come on.
Lucas go.
Get back.
Back door.
No. 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 Play. 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 No. Wait. What's the ball?
Tripped on the ball.
Where's the ball? You tripped over the ball.
No one touched him, Rev.
Hey, Brady.
The ball.
Remember, that's the conversation. Nate's pretty young.
That's what he's saying. Or that's what
Cash, get on your line. Guys, give me a wall. I didn't know Cooper's still not under control.
Cooper
Cash,
has
on your
that
line. Give me a
four
wall.
good trick that
Blizzard, make a ball.
he missed all.
Wait.
He didn't even get a shot like that.
That Cooper on the ground?
Yes, he did.
He's always great.
Literally always.
I love him when he's on my team. I hate playing against him. And that's on recorder. I love him when he's on my team. I hate playing against him.
Because
No.
And now he's fine. See, I was
Alright,
up
is that
before
game?
that. I got hit. I said he tripped on his
Cash, on your line. Get on your line. No, that was outside the box. Everybody
It
knows
was outside the box. It's not a penalty.
What? Penalty? Oh, you
Are you serious?
get some glasses.
Bullshit.
It's not a penalty. This is April Fool's.
It was this week.
April 5th. This has to be April Fool's. Guys, it's April Fool's the 5th. There's no way this is a penalty. Thank you.
he's like 86.
Nah, guys. The fact that he
He's
thought it was a
86
penalty.
and he's
Wake up.
I think it's worse.
That's gotta be cold.
He does not have
What is the call?
You know what's crazy? The foul was there, and yet people was on the floor.
Checking in 9 minutes so the team will be here.
Yeah, he was on the floor closer to the half.
I don't think. Nate.
It's a drop ball.
Everyone on the line.
Why
Get
is
back.
it what? What? I'm so confused.
That's almost better than
Let's go, Jack.
Goodbye, Kuzu.
If anything, it should be a foul.
Clear it.
Oh, no.
Get it off. Get it off. Get it off.
Follow him up!
How are the...
Said he just get out of there. Get out of there.
He's holding him.
Hold him down from the line. You've got to be kidding me.
It's because they're volunteers.
Noah.
Because that
Cash, be ready for the shot. Guys, watch that Lucas. Back door. Watch it. Watch Cooper. Watch Venus. Evan, you stay with Venus.
It's good.
It's actually good. Love the
It's wasting time.
9:53. It's got to be close. They don't do that. So. We had a team at a tournament run the clock out.
Get it up, Blizzard!
Henry! Henry! Outside! Jack, check two! Outside! There we go! That works.
All right.
Win the ball, Blizzard! Win the ball!